Hey, sweetie, you better get back on the sled. You're kind of messing up the track now. It's okay, so you go get back on the sled. You're going to go so fast this time.
I don't know if you'll go as fast this time because you got a bunch of snow on the track. Like fresh snow on it rather than packed down. We'll try it. It's okay.
Hello! You kept going, huh? Hi, beautiful. You having fun? What are you doing? Don't eat the cord.
It's not cord.
I love you.
That's it. Whole thing.
You're having fun. Oh, I'm stuck right here. I stood there too long.
You still have that on?
Daddy.
Yeah.
That's weird how you just did that then. It was like right into your
Get
belly.
Daddy out.
What, honey?
Get Daddy out.
Get Daddy out what?
Dude.